Hi friends, welcome to codewithsugi YouTube channel. So in the previous videos, we have discussed about data types. Okay, I think we have cleared everything in the data type side. If you are following from the beginning, now you will have a good idea about data types. Okay, before we get into this video, if you are new to our channel and if you are not aware of what we have discussed till date, so you don't need to worry. We always used to add all the links in the description so that you can go ahead and have a look on the previous videos. So before move to other topic, I think we need to discuss about scope of the variables. So scope in the sense we can say like where it begins and where it will end. Okay, so for example I have a variable like private integer number equal to 10. So the scope will tell that from where to where we can access this number variable. That is the main aim of the scope. Before we get into this, first I will create a class so that you can easily understand what is the scope. Okay, so we all know public class sample. Okay, fine. The class will begin with the open curly braces and it will end with close curly braces. And we have public static void main. Okay, then we all know it will take the string array of args as an argument. So the method scope will start from here to here. Okay, fine. So again this method also will start with curly braces and it will end with the curly braces. So in Java we have one good advantage, that is you can easily visualize the things, okay, using the curly braces. So from wherever you have a curly braces, okay, in Eclipse, right, so if you point your cursor over there, automatically it will show you the opening or closing point where it has. Okay, so we will see whenever we get into Eclipse. Fine. Now so you can easily visualize the scope of the class or the class where it begins, okay, then where it ends. Okay, so if someone asks you like where this class exactly begins, then you will point this place, right, exactly where this class is getting ends, then you will show this point. Okay, so the same way if I ask, okay, where main method is starting, then we will say this is the place where the main method is starting, then this is the place where main method is ending. Okay, so we all know without main method you cannot execute the Java program. Okay, we already discussed about that in the previous videos. So the main method will start from here and then it will end it here. Okay, so whatever you have specified in this main method, then that only will be considered for execution. Now we're going to discuss about scope of the variable. If I say scope, there are two different scopes which is available. One is local scope, another one is global scope. So first we will discuss about local scope. So the local scope, okay, the visibility is very limited. So the same way global visibility to entire class. So to explain it clearly, okay, I'm going to say class sample. Okay, let's say we have a variable called private integer num, okay, equal to 10. Then I'm going to create a main method. I will say psvm string of args. So now this number will be visible into this method, and say for example if you are creating some other method here like display or something like that, then you have the visibility of this variable to this method also. That means in that entire class you can very well access this variable. So these kind of variables we used to say global variables. In the same example, okay, in the main method you have a string array of args. This arg is also a one variable, right? So this args is also a variable. Okay, so you cannot access this args variable outside of this method. Okay, this is visible only inside of this main method. So this kind of variables we used to say local variable. That's the reason we are saying local variables will have only limited access, but the global variable will have the access to that entire class. Okay, wherever you want, you can access the global variable. So I think now it's more clear about what is the local variable and what is the global variable. We have only these two types of variables with respect to the scope. Thanks for watching our videos. Please subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Keep supporting us. Thank you.